Hello and welcome, Yarn Besties. My name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cast off. Now, there are several casting off styles, but the one I use is the basic knit cast off. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your working needle and insert it into the front of the loop like you're going to perform a knit stitch. So insert it into the first stitch and then wrap your yarn around the working needle from back to front, and then you're just going to perform a knit stitch. And then once you got your knit stitch on your working needle, slide it off. And then you're going to do that again for the next stitch. And then once you got that second knitted stitch on there, slide it off. And then the next thing you're going to do is going to take your non-working needle and pick up the first knitted stitch so that it looks like this. Now I like to slide this back a little bit because that way I prevent the chance of the stitch being lost. So then what you're going to do is you're just going to slip this stitch over this stitch. So what I do is I'll take my working needle with the second stitch on, and then I'm just going to pull that through like this. And then this is what it looks like when you're about to slip it off the non-working needle. Slip it off, and then you just cast it off the first stitch. I'll do another one. So then you're going to take your working needle, insert into the next stitch, and knit that stitch again, and then slide that off. And then you're going to do like you did for the first stitch. You're going to take your non-working needle, scoop up that first knitted stitch, and then you're just going to pass that knitted stitch on over the other one. So you're going to take your working needle and scoop up that second stitch and slide it off. And then you're going to continue doing this all the way down to the end of your work. And I'll do another one with you. So you just got to do one more, then I'll let you continue the rest of this. So I'm going to scoop up that, go into the next stitch, knit that stitch as you normally would, slide it off the needle, take your non-working needle, scoop up that first knitted stitch, and then you're just going to take your your working needle and scoop that stitch through. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like at the end, and then I'll show you how to finish it off. Alrighty, so we're at near the end of the work, so I have 2 stitches remaining. I've already casted off this final stitch, so what you're going to do to end this is you're going to do the same thing as you did all the way down. You're just going to knit this very last stitch, and then you're going to slide it off, and then you'll have no more stitches on this needle. But what you're going to do next is take your non-working needle and scoop up that first stitch and do the same thing as you did for all the other stitches, and just slide that through that, and then that is it. So now what I do to finish this off, I will pull some yarn up, and then I will take a crochet hook and insert it, and then I will do the chain 2, and then I will snip off this end piece because I no longer need this yarn, and then I will pull, pinch and pull, and then that creates your secure knot. Now I know there are other ways that you can end this last piece, but I just choose to use the crochet hook method. It's much easier, so you don't have to worry about possibly losing your stitches. And then you just gotta weave all these ends in, but that is how you cast off. Thank you for watching. This is the Crafty Crocheter. Happy crafting.